Welcome to Shu Dialect. My name is Daphne, here to teach you English as a second language. Today's topic is booking holidays in English. Teaching you English right now, I have 3 questions here. I would like for you to repeat after me. Where are you going? Where are you going? How long is your trip? How long is your trip? The number of passengers? The number of passengers? You can write them down and then say them out loud before you move on to the next section. You can see here, I have an example of a website that you can book holidays on. The website is called Expedia, and I guess many of you would know of it already. Look carefully at the information on the screen, top to bottom. Look at the words, top row, second row, all the way down. And think, if I was to book a holiday from London to Italy for the region of Venice in Italy, where would I input information? What would I select? So where it says flight 1, you would click London, England, and any airport that is good to go from. Across it says going to, so you would click Italy, Venice. The last box, departing from, you need to choose the date. When are you going? How long are you going for? Are you leaving tomorrow, next week, or the week after? Think back to the questions I asked you beforehand and apply the answers to this page. If you keep this image, save it, you can practice your English a lot more. I just mentioned taking a trip to Italy, to a place in Italy called Venice. So here you have the picture. Key words to remember, or key phrases to remember. Departing from, going to, destination, location, total cost, passenger. I would like for you to write these down and keep them in mind, practicing your English. I want to fly to Dubai. I want to fly to Dubai. When do I want to fly to Dubai? When do I want to fly to Dubai? I want to go in July. I want to go in July. How long? How long? I want to go for 10 days. Booking on a website now, using keywords I just taught you, you can take the example of booking a trip to Tokyo, Japan, traveling from London. If you click departing from, you would select London. And Heathrow Airport is the main airport here in London where I live. If you then click going to, you select Tokyo, Japan. Choose your date to and from. Choose your date to and from, as I showed you before. Then you could select How many passengers? How many passengers? Is it 1, 2, or 3? Other information may ask you, if you want a package holiday, do you want flight and hotel? Would you like to rent a car? Etc. And so on. That is the end of my lesson today on this topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe below, and do come back for my next video. For now, thank you and take care.